Welcome to Ecom Ranks. In this video, I have explained how are you able to add custom fonts to your Shopify. Have you ever tried adding custom fonts to Shopify or Googling it but failed? Then this video is for you because I have explained a pretty easy method to add custom fonts to your Shopify store. So what you have to do is firstly you have to download any theme or then simply upload it to Shopify with my custom coded section. You are able to add it simply, so please don't forget to watch this video till the end so that you will get all the information related to the custom font latest updated method. Okay, so the first thing first, we have to go to our Shopify admin. So let me go back to the Shopify admin to explain you from start. We are on the home page and then we have to click on the theme online store and then we have to click on this theme part. Once clicked on it, we are over here where our all themes are listed. So in case you have to add the custom themes to this live website, make sure you have duplicated your theme, because adding a code or managing a code might break your theme code structure. So if it happens, so simply publish this backup copy so that your customers won't get hurt. Yeah, anyways, if you follow me through end, you won't break anything or any problem will arise. So make sure you follow along. Okay, so the first thing first, we have to click on this three dots and then we have to click on this edit code button. Once clicked on it, you have to, it will take few seconds to get reload. Okay, to get it reload, let's go to this Google Docs. You have to select all this and then press Ctrl+C to copy all this custom coded section, and then we have to go back to the Shopify where our theme get reload. Just let me check which one is this. Okay, so this is the file. Let me close it. You will be on here like this section. Simply right click on it, click on this new file and add the name like custom fonts. Make sure you add the extension dot liquid. It's mandatory. This extension is mandatory. You can write any name to this part of the words. Like I had written custom fonts, you can write anything and hit the enter button to add this empty file. Once added, you have pasted the Google Docs file over here. I will leave this Google Doc link in the description and it's completely free. You can simply click on that link to get this complete file. Okay, so once added, hit the save button to save this file. Once the file is added and saved, then let me just reload this Shopify admin side. What we have to do is we have to download this theme, download our font section. Once download it, let me just download this version so that you will get to know that our file is downloaded and added. Let me just close all this to avoid distraction. Okay, so now we have to move to this content section and then we have to go to this file section. Once we are on file, click on the upload files and we have to upload the font file that we just downloaded it from this website. Or if you have any other fonts, you should have a file of it. Simply, this is the fonts that we have downloaded it. Simply right click on it and extract it. Once it gets extracted, okay, let me just extract it. Okay, so this is the file that got extracted. Simply open it and then we have to just uh, click on this open button, select it and then click on this open button. Once this file get uploaded it, we have to copy its link. Okay, so from here we have to click on this copy link button and now we have to go back to the online store and then we have to click on this theme button, click on this edit theme button and then at the very end, just like here, click on this add section and then just write fonts and it will appear. I already added it, so I will not add it twice. So just here click on this and then what we have that, let me delete it and add it again. Click on this add section, custom fonts. Okay, so the section is added in this way and then what we have to do is we have to paste the link of the file. Okay, let me paste it over here. Just delete this HTTPS. Okay, so the file link is pasted and we can name this like custom font 1. And if I scroll down, there is an option to add multiple fonts, custom fonts. Like I have only added one. You can add multiple fonts and assign it to your heading or any part of the website. If I scroll down, there is an option for apply fonts. Like if I want to apply it to heading, just write the name of the font that we just added, font 1. Okay, so do you see the fonts has been applied, but it's looking pretty weird. I just use these fonts to get to know only for the demonstration purpose, so that you will get to know that the custom fonts has been added and it's working pretty well. Okay, so let me if you have any other fonts, you can add it to the font too. Then let me go back to this content section. I have already added two more font files, so let me copy that version. Uh, of the fonts. Simply click on this file, and here you have another font. Simply copy it, go back to Shopify admin and paste it to Shopify font file 2, and name it like custom fonts 2, or you can name it anything like font 2 or anything, but just remember, just copy it, and then where you have to paste it, scroll down, apply fonts, you have to paste it over here. Like if we want to give the button to these fonts, the navigation these fonts, or the product titles to this font, just add it. Okay, so the custom fonts has been changing or applying according to our requirements. One advanced feature that I will let you know, if I scroll down, there is an option for target by class. If you want to add a custom font to specific button like this one, simply right click on it, and then we have to click on this inspect. We have to copy its class, click on it, and if I click on it, it will show its class, which is banner button. Class is equals to banner button. Simply I have to copy this one. Let me copy it, go back over here, and then if I add this to this, like my font 1, this is my font 1, it should be applied to this class banner buttons. If I scroll up, I see it has been applied. Okay, so this is the quick tutorial on how you are able to apply custom fonts to your Shopify website at any part of the website. It's pretty easy to manage or add. I have even told you the advanced thing, which is like the copy the class name and simply paste it on the apply font section. And if you want to add same font like font 1 to any other class, simply write a comma and then add another class to it. It will apply to that class as well. So this is the quick version of how are you able to add custom fonts. So if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you need any help, simply click on this and get my help. Thanks for watching.